Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Jason coming at you one more again. Fix this camera angle here. Got a little RC, I guess I'm gonna start calling them little RC snacks, whatever, just little vids, you know. See if I can get this right. I ordered for my Yokomo truck the battery brace that comes on the truck. Or the battery hold down system. I crash a lot, so my battery always comes out of their hold down system. And I know why they did this brace system on the truck is because it allows your chassis to flex and move up under the LiPo. So I know why they did it. And on the traditional brace where you got the strap that goes all the way across, it strengthens the chassis. So ordered some parts here from Beachrc, Beach Hobbies. I got a link down below to Beach Hobbies. I saw this LiPo brace on another car that just came out, and I want to try it. Also, I had to get a lock nut here for my diff. I got the caged thrust balls here from Beachrc. If you follow me on my Instagram, RCvitals, or follow me on Facebook, whatever, RCvitals, you can see that I have problems with my diff at the Palmetto Classic. Got their diff screw here. I just went ahead and got the whole thing, the whole diff, whatever, to try and piece back my diff. Like I said, on my Instagram, I had the thrust washer snap apart, and everybody's like, "Oh, I never had that happen. I never had that happen." I'm the first one that had it happen, but I did have problems with my diff screw when I got the kit. So, but nothing bad about Yokomo or nothing like that. Their stuff is quality. I mean, just putting it together is quality. I'm gonna try the LoC 2250 LiPo battery hold down system on my Yokomo YZ2T. I know some of y'all saying, "Jason, you traitor. Jason, why are you doing that?" I'm just try it. See if it fits. See how it does, how it looks. But most importantly, see if it's functional to where my battery don't, when I crash hard, the battery don't fly out. I saw this on the 2250, and it looked pretty neat, It looked real neat. It looked like you could put a LiPo weight up under it, and you can still, the rubber bands keep your battery, or not rubber, well, rubber bands keep your battery down. I'm gonna try it out. It is a TLR product. I don't even know if it matches up, I'm just gonna see how it looks. And I opened the package. I didn't dig far enough in the package. They sent me decals, y'all, with sour licorice candy. Is that not cool? I mean, look at that. Is that not cool? Like, and all it did is it came in an envelope like that there, and that's just means a lot, it means a lot. I mean, what other company you can order from and you get that? You get decals to put on your car, put on wherever, and licorice. Oh, that's just above and beyond. I appreciate it. Beachrc, Brent, and Lucas. Probably Lucas is the one that probably packaged this up here. Could be Brent. Last time they left their tape measure in one of my orders, so you never know what you're gonna get. But thank you, Beachrc. That's class right there. Thank you. There's the TLR brace there, just screws down the chassis. Merlin's beard. The brace fits. Look at that. The Losi 22 5.0 brace, lipo brace here, fits right in the Yokomo YZ2T. Yeah, look at that. Wow, and it's clean looking. Like, super clean. I might can get an extra screw in there, but I don't need it. I mean, the thing is in there firm. Like, wow. Yeah, look at that. Move my roll cage around. My roll cage of wires around. Yeah, that's the back side of the brace there. It fits. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate. A lot. Associated TLR lipo brace, cage, strap, whatever. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate on that, but man, the thing fits. Like, the battery ain't coming out. I mean, I hit harder than that. Awesome jumps. Like, I still have a bumper on the back of my truck, you know. It's the bottom of my chassis. Spitfire Adidas. I mean, it's snug versus the Yokomo hold down strap here. Like I said, I mean, it works. I'm just like, wow, okay. I saw that and I was like, I have to try it. So I ordered it from Beachrc, and I mean, I can still charge my battery. All the charge ports and stuff are all right there, to where I can still charge my battery in the car. And I know some of y'all saying, don't be charging your battery in the car. Don't be charging your battery in the car, Jason. Don't be charging your battery in the car. Look what happened to Pay Hood. Nah, together, I'm gonna try these stress bearings in a cage. Comment down below, whatever. Rebuild my diff here. Rebuild my diff and give it a go, and go down to the beach and test again. Anyway, guys, let me build this diff here, and I'll holler back at you.